All right, friends. So the last thing you're going to do for this week is social studies. And I am loving learning about your family story. And today you are going to use Monday's slides. So you might have to refer to Monday's slides. And you are going to label where your family came from on a map. Okay? So you're going to go to slide 13. Here is a map of all the countries in the world. Now you're probably thinking, Mrs. DeGracie, I don't know the countries of the world. I don't know their names. Well, I got you covered. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to slide 12, and you can click on this picture, and it will open up to a map of the world. Okay. Now here is a map of all the countries. Okay, so let's say my ancestors are from Brazil. So what I would do, a few things. I would insert a shape, and I'm going to choose an arrow. Okay, and I'm going to choose this arrow because it's kind of pointing to here. And I'm going to find Brazil. Okay, Brazil is right here on that map. Right here on that map. Okay, so I'm going to draw my arrow, and this little one that looks like a little circle, that's how you can rotate it. Okay, right there is Brazil, and underneath, or I'm going to do it underneath. I'm going to draw a text box. I'm going to draw Brazil, or I'm going to write the word Brazil, and that's what you do. Okay, now, what if you're like, you see some of these countries over here, they're very small. I have a hard time reading my map, but I know that my grandma is from Germany. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to Google it. Map of Germany is what I'm going to type in. Okay, map of Germany. I'm going to go to maps or images. I'm going to go to images. That's actually better. Okay. And I'm going to click on a picture that kind of looks like, okay, so Germany is right here. I'm going to go back to my world map. And I'm going to find one that looks like Germany. Oh, there it is. This one right here. So again, I'm going to draw an arrow, insert, shape, arrow. That one's kind of pointing down. Perfect. Here is Germany, pointing to it. And then I'm going to draw a text box. And I'm going to type Germany. Okay. Simple as that. Now, friends, I understand that if some of us are still struggling to find the countries, easy. What you're going to do is you can go up here, add a new slide, okay, and what you can do is you can label that countries, and let's say your grandparents are from Germany, you can copy, paste a picture of Germany onto your slides, but you have to label it with a text box. Okay? So, today your goal is to label where your family is from on our country map. I know it's a little small. We don't have huge maps to look at in front of us. So that's why if you click on this picture, it will take you to a world map. Okay, it'll take you to a world map where you can then label your countries. Just like I did, Brazil, Germany, Russia, Australia, wherever you're from. But I understand that if it's still too hard to read, still too small, you can add another slide, label it countries, find a picture of your country, and draw a text box and label that country. This is going to be due today, Thursday, May 7th. Have fun and learn where your family is from. Can't wait to see it.